Everyone, it's Jasmill. Welcome to this channel. So today we're gonna do a trunk club unboxing and kind of just first impressions, see what my stylist picked for me. It is February 2019, so I'm ready to, you know, have some end of winter looks, but also transition into the springtime. But also I live in New England, so it's still hella cold until like June. Bad luck with stylists at Trunk Club. My Stitch Fix, I love my stylist at Stitch Fix. She always gets me amazing things, and I don't really get to talk to her or anything, but she picks out amazing things for me. Good price point, hella expensive because it's Nordstrom, so it's way more pricier. And I try to tell them that, you know, I can't afford like $200 jeans and $300 shirt. But if it's like under $100, under $50, that's great. My style is a little bit more urban. It's not like that sophisticated and formal like most things are from Nordstrom. I'm a little bit more urban. I'm a little bit more street. I'm a little bit more chillax. And I told them that my style inspos are like Rihanna, Kim Kardashian, Carly Bybel. They already took $25 out of my credit card, so it's like you pay when you get the box, the month that you get the box, you pay $25, and you can deduct that from whatever you get to keep, whatever you want to keep to pick up the box. You don't have to drop it off at your UPS or FedEx or whatever. So the first item is this shirt. It's a yellow shirt, kind of bright, not like a neon yellow, but kind of like a mustardy bright yellow. It's really cute actually. The next thing is a jacket, and she included a couple of jackets in here because I wanted a blazer. This Puma jacket, not really a fan. It's kind of like, it looks cute for like a photo shoot, but I don't think I would wear this out. Like, I just don't like the material, and the color isn't my favorite, but we'll see. And they're again like a fall foresty green color. It just reminds me of fall and winter, so I guess, you know, it's right on, you know, par with the season. But I don't think I'm gonna like these. They look really huge. They look really big, even though it's my size. They're just really oversized, and I'm not really into the like, I do like baggy things and I do like oversized things, but I've lost weight recently. Not recently, it's been a while, but you could definitely tell now that I lost weight, and a lot of people are, you know, letting me know that I look so good and I lost weight and everything. So I kind of want to like show off my figure and buy things that are a little bit more form-fitting. Next is a simple black top, simple black crop top. Not too crop, but it's not too long either. It's from Topshop. I don't think I'm gonna keep it just because it's so simple. But this is what I've been really waiting for. So she included some denim in this box, and I do really want some denim. But this is actually a US size 6 and I'm a US size 8, so I don't know if this is gonna fit me. But this is a dark blue denim from Topshop. She got a lot of things from Topshop with like a red stitching, and I've never seen anything like this. It looks red, but actually it could be pink or orange. Next item is another thing from Topshop. It is a jacket. It's a cute army green jacket. It's a bit crop, feels kind of lightweight, really lightweight. It's a size 4 to 6, so I feel like it would be a little bit more form-fitting on me. It's not too long, but it's not that short either. I don't know, this looks cute. Next item are another pair of pants, black, like, what is this material? It's from Joe's. I've never heard of this company. Cotton, modal, spandex, cotton, modal, spandex. Okay, it's a size 26, and I'm actually a size 29, so I don't think this is gonna fit me either. I don't know why the sizes are so small. Like, I thought I put in my profile that my size, even though I have lost weight, especially like from my belly, and just like have toned up a lot, I'm still the same size when it comes to like my waist and my hips, like for my bottoms, just because I am a little bit more wider in those areas. So I don't know if this will fit me either. But next item is a dress, and this dress is way too simple for me. Like I am a simplistic kind of person. I'm very simple, comfy, urban, you know, chic, I feel like. But when I'm buying things, I do want to get more, since I have so many simple things already, I do want to get more of like cooler items, special pieces. Like we do need a black blazer. I don't know if I'll like this one, but this is what it looks like. It's cute. It's actually really, really big. Next item is a simple Topshop black shirt again. I think I've gotten like item, but it's $40 for like a simple black long sleeve that's, you know, form-fitting. I feel like I can get this for way cheaper, but we'll see. Item is a black jumpsuit. So it's actually black v-neck, really deep v-neck, and long legged jumpsuit. It's kind of like a sweatpant material. It's kind of light, and when I saw this I was in love, because I love again, to be comfortable but also to look cute, and I can wear this day, night, dress it up, dress it down. Jacket, and this faux leather blazer, actually, might I add. This looks amazing. It's kind of tailored and kind of like structured, structured in a way that it like looks just like it would fit you very, very beautifully and like make your figure look amazing. And I need like a faux leather piece. Like I've been missing like a faux leather jacket. I haven't had one in a while, and it just screams my style. All right, that's pretty much it, guys. So that was my whole try on. A lot of things did not, okay, not a lot of things. Two things did not fit me. The pants, the long pants, the cottony black pants, or the denim, they didn't fit me. They were size too small, and yes, I lost weight, but not enough. I'm still like a size 8, and those were like a size 6, so they did not fit me. This, I was expecting so much more for this jumpsuit, but it kind of like is a little bit weird with my, you know, vagina situation, and like up here in my stomach it kind of stretches too much, so it gives me a little wedgie at the front, and I don't like that it wrinkles very, very easily. Like this has never been worn. It was in the bag, and it's like wrinkly all over. Like this material is really wrinkly, and I don't like that. The faux leather blazer jacket is so beautiful. It is a little bit tight because it's a small, so it's tight around my shoulders and my arms right here on top, because I have broad shoulders already. But I love how it makes your figure look, and I can see me wearing that so many places. So if I can't afford anything else, I definitely would want the faux leather blazer. And that's pretty much it. Bye.